Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going into a kind of like a haul from Chemical Guys. Usually a lot of the times if I ever purchase anything auto detailing, or even a lot of my tool videos and stuff like that, I order a lot of stuff on Amazon. And usually I like to find stuff in stores so I can get hands-on, take a look at it. But when it comes to chemicals, the only real way is to actually use them. It's not like tools where you get them in your hand, you can tell whether you're going to like them or not. With auto detailing, it's whether it comes down to actually using the products. So Chemical Guys, some of it's sold in Walmarts and other locations like AutoZone and stuff, but I always order mine off from online, and a lot of the times from Amazon. But you also, if you're getting into auto detailing and you like some of the Chemical Guys products, if you're looking at them, obviously search Amazon and those, auto detailing sites, but also check out the actual Chemical Guys websites, because they actually do have deals going on quite often. And if you sign up with their stuff, I get emails all the time for like 20% off your purchase. And I get those like weekly. So that's a pretty good deal over the stuff that you find on Amazon. So that's decent. They also sent me a $10 coupon, just for signing up and stuff. Or it was during the Super Bowl, you pick which team you think you're going to win, and you got a special deal depending on who you pick. They do stuff like that all the time. You follow their Instagram. They're doing giveaways all the time. So it's really cool. And it's not just Chemical Guys, a lot of auto detailing people do this stuff. So make sure if you're into certain products, try and follow them. You'll find great deals and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. But I follow Chemical Guys on Instagram and YouTube and everything because I like quite a few of their products. So you guys already know, if you've seen any of my previous videos on my detailing stuff, I have a lot of their products, and this being one of them, the Honeydew Snow Foam. This is a great foam wash for like a foam cannon. Works great, smells really good. Well, during the leap year weekend, I guess you would call it, they were actually putting on a leap year deal. And that was, whether you buy a wash, if you buy a shampoo, you get a clay luber. If you buy a clay luber, you get a wax. If you buy a wax, you get a quick detailer for free. So you buy one item, you get one free. That's amazing. So I went ahead and did it, and I had that email for $10 off. So I used that. So I literally spent $20 or $25 including shipping. And this is what I got, not counting this guy right here. But I used my $10 off to get the watermelon snow foam, because I've heard a lot about it. A lot of auto detail YouTube videos that I watch that use the snow foam say they absolutely love the smell of this. So I can't wait to try it out. So this is originally $10, and obviously I used the $10 off for that. So that was technically free. And then I bought this clay luber set, and it's the spray lubricant and a clay bar. This is the OG clay bar. They have 3 different ones. I believe I went with this one. It's just safest for me. So obviously it's kind of self-explanatory. This is for washing the vehicle. Nice sudsy soap, really good stuff. And then after washing the vehicle, you could clay lube your car, or clay bar your car, and use the clay lubricant, because you don't want to use clay bar without lubricant, because you will scratch it. But also keep in mind, if you buy this, there is a plastic film around it, so don't go using this on your car without taking that off. Plus, you can cut this into sections and just use portions of it. You don't need the whole thing, especially if you drop it on the ground, then you got to throw it away. So if you cut it into sections, you can save it just in case you drop a section on the ground. You have more. So this was $20, but when purchasing this, you get a free wax. So with that $20 spent, I got the cherry wet wax, which I already have the butter wet wax. So now I have the cherry one as well. So we're going to be putting these to the test. I'm going to use these. These are all in order. You would wash your car, then you would clay bar it, and then you would go and wax it. If you've never clay barred before, there's plenty of videos out there, and I'll do one on it as well. It's very simple, a great item to use. let's say you got brake dust contaminants in your paint or on your paint, you got tree sap, all these contaminants on the surface of your car that you can't really see but you can really feel it. That's what a clay bar is for. It's going to remove a lot of those unseen contaminants on the paint or embedded in the paint, and it's going to make your finish extremely smooth. Now, it's not going to remove scratches or swirls or anything like that, but any contaminants sticking up through your paint or anything like that or embedded on your paint, it's going to remove that and make for a nice mirror-like feel to your paint. So this really smooths it out before applying your wax. And I must say, the one thing I really like about Chemical Guys are the scents that they apply to their chemicals. I mean, there are so many products of theirs that just smell absolutely amazing. So if they work well and smell good, I like them. So we're going to be putting each one of these to the test in the future, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. But just keep in mind, this video is more about if you're getting into auto detailing, you don't have to go with, one specific brand for everything, because obviously one brand is not going to make the best everything. But in order to really find what you like, you have to test things. You can't just, with physical items like tools, you can't just grab it and be like, this is going to be a good tool. You have to test them out. So always look for deals, because you don't want to be spending a whole lot of money on something that you might not end up liking. So that's why I took advantage of this deal. This was free, bought this for $20 and got this for free. So really good deal there. Plus I get 20% off all the time and stuff like that. So whatever company you really enjoy, make sure to try and do some research, find more information about them, find out the deals that they provide and all of that, because it can really save you a lot of money, especially if they're for products that you really like. So there it is. That was kind of my haul from Chemical Guys over the leap year. But besides just the leap year, they do have promotions and giveaways and deals going on all the time. So just keep an eye out for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Maybe your favorite auto detailing company. Who do you like? And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.